How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 72 Pontiac Grand Prix Model J. Got a 455, 400 trans. It's got power steering, power brakes, air. Done in Cardinal Red, black vinyl top. It's a clean California car. All the original grille, original front bumper. It's all real nice condition. Bumpers do have a little bit of age to them. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Got new vinyl top. Got your Rally 2s, BFGs. See, the rear bumper's in real good condition. It is the original. Just a really nice car, real straight down the sides. Previous owner owned this car for many years. Looks real nice under the hood. Everything's where it should be. It's got your factory dual snorkeler cleaner on it. Again, it's a 455. It's got the 400 turbo trans, your power steering, power disc brakes, AC. The AC does need a belt and recharge. Got dual exhaust out the back. Jams are real nice, clean. Original interior, all in really good condition for the age especially. It's got a new headliner in it. It's all your original seat covers, all the seat belts, factory console. It's got tilt wheel. I really like the parchment interior in it as well. You find that on a lot of Western cars because they're cooler, not so hot. It's got the trunk light and everything works. Got some restoration photos. It's got the original owner's manual. Comes with nice custom car cover. Again, the rear bumper is the original. Got a little bit of age patina to it, but it's not bad. They're nice and straight. They're not all beat up. See, the headliner looks real good, nice and tight. They did a nice job doing the headliner in it. Does have new carpet in it and floor mats. Tell you, for original seats, they're in really good condition. Factory original door panels. And fires right up. It's just a really nice car. These Grand Prix, you don't see many of them, especially if you find one that's this clean, all original body panels and floors. Nice clean California car. The previous gentleman brought it back from California. backup lights, everything works on the car. It's just a really, really nice, tight car. Thing rides and drives down the road beautifully. It's got the 12-bolt rear end in it too. Being a 455, that's the way it would have came. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.